Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Before we dive into the News Chronicle TV will review the security situation across the northern Nigeria, especially Kebbi State, Borno State, Katsina State, Zamfara State, Kwara, Kogi, and Benue State, as the security situation is worsening in those states. Stay tuned and watch the summary of the news across the northern Nigeria and international scene. This is the News Chronicle TV. In full support of Governor Zulum's call for divine interventions against insecurity, the Christian Association of Nigeria Kan Borno State chapter has mobilized all Christians for a special one-day prayer and fasting on Monday, November 24, 2025 at First Baptist Church, Maiduguri by 3 p.m., urging believers to stand in for the state and their nation as terrorism continues to ravage the regions. Medicine Sans Frontiers, in collaboration with the Sokoto State Ministry of Health, have offered free facial surgeries to 1,074 indigenous patients from 2014 to 2025. The head of Missions, Operation and Protect Coordinator Mr. Joseph Alik disclosed this at the 9th Noma Day celebration with the theme Ending Noma Through Strengthening Intersectoral and Global Cooperations on Friday in Sokoto State. Now, insecurity. Despite repeated warning against negotiating with bandits in Katsina State, officials and stakeholders from Malumpashi local government area are heading into another round of talks. Police in Benue have rescued a kidnapped female nursing student and killed a suspected gang leader. Iruku community residents rejoice in Iruku community following confirmations that victims abducted during the recent attack on Christ's Apostolic Church have been successfully rescued from bandits. A group of farmers in Kaduna State has raised alarm that so-called repentant bandits have resumed terrorizing their communities and stealing their cattle. The Minister of State for Defense, Bello Matawalle, has confirmed that Nigerian troops have identified the location of the 25 school girls abducted on Monday from the Government Girls Comprehensive Secondary School, Maga, in Danko, Wasagu local government area of the state. The Borno State Police Command has announced a major operation against criminal activities in Maiduguri on November 21, 2025. Officers from the Rapid Response Squad Anti-Social Vices Unit carried out a coordinated raid on non-criminal hideouts across the city. The Gombe State Police Command on Sunday dismissed reports circulating on social media claiming that Equa Church in Kashere, Akko local government area was attacked by gunmen. Bandits have attacked the Zalau community of Toro local government area, Bauchi State, late Sunday night, killing Alhaji Muhammad Bakoshi, a community volunteer, and the Jepwis Zalau discipline officer, and abducting his wife, who had given birth 2 weeks ago. Troops of the Nigerian military, supported by members of the Civilian Joint Task Force, have repelled a Boko Haram attack involving an armed drone in Malam Fatori, Abadam local government area of Borno State. According to a security source, the terrorists attacked the town on Wednesday and deployed an armed drone. They also advanced with ground fire, leaving 8 civilian JTF members injured. Now, politics. Ex-Kaduna State Governor El-Rufai alleges the present government paid bandits 1 billion naira. PDP crisis deepens as INEC reject convention's outcome, 2027 ticket at risk. Now from the international scene, a magnitude 5.7 earthquake struck central Bangladesh, killing at least 9 people and injuring more than 300. The government said buildings were damaged in several areas, including the capital Dhaka. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.